Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, February 7th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. And right now, it looks like for one of the few days this year so far, we're not looking a gap higher. Remember, we all had wide POCs. ES and SPY had a perfect 13 for 13. No surprise if we trade at it this morning. For the main reason being, Powell is speaking, I'm not sure if it's noon or 12:40 Eastern time, but he's speaking at some point early afternoon. So I wouldn't be surprised if the market basically drifts inside of yesterday's range or above or below by a little bit. Yesterday was the third smallest range of the year, and it was the second lightest volume of the year. So already we have a bunch of days under $4 ranges. We didn't have our first day under $4 range until I think mid-February last year. So without a doubt, the ranges and volume certainly lighter than what we started with last year, which spoiled us for a good part of 2022. As far as the game plan, well, we had major chop inside of yesterday. That's not going to change right now. Right now, the only plays I see early on is if it was to push up, you could front run the overnight high and yesterday's high because they have a beautiful history of doing that in the ES and SPY. And on the flip side, if it pushes down, you could take a long against the overnight low and use M's low as your out. The buyer's goal is to take out yesterday's high at some point to put us back into balance on the daily. The seller's goal, obviously, is to take out yesterday's low and continue to take back the trend day from the Fed day and try to get acceptance at some point below the 40.90 level where change took place last Wednesday. That's basically your goals for this morning. We'll see which side is able to accomplish it. We might not get any of that until after Powell speaks. NQ, same thing. They had an 11 wide POC. They're trading inside of yesterday's range. And for the righty was the only one with a clearly defined B shape for long liquidation. They're trading right in the middle of their range also. And then just quickly on the chart, again, appreciate the likes and subscribing to this YouTube channel. So here's the daily. We came out of balance yesterday to the downside. We're down on the daily right now. The goal of the bears is to take back that Fed day. The goal of the bulls is to take out yesterday's high and put us back into basically a 3-4 day balance. The 20 continues to curl up. We'll see where it is once the market opens today. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.